Comes the squirrel. He's thinking about it. Here he comes. Oh, he's back in the other tree. You put all those Pop-Tarts out?
Yeah.
Tell Uncle Tony you put all the Pop-Tarts out.
I put all the Pop-Tarts out, Uncle Tony.
What about Grandma?
Grandma put all the Pop-Tarts out.
What about Sushi's?
I put all the Pop-Tarts out, Sushi's.
What about Grandpa?
I put all the Pop-Tarts out, Grandpa.
Who else you want to tell? Nana? Bless you. Bless you.
I put all the Pop-Tarts out.
Oh, he just knocked lots of Pop-Tarts off. Are you kissing Nana? See what we got. I don't know. The squirrel went back away. Maybe he's not. Maybe he doesn't need to make the jump because they're knocking all the Pop-Tarts down. Oh, he's looking at it. There's a squirrel right in the middle. See a squirrel? Let's see. Think he's gonna make the leap of life onto the top? He's thinking about it. Ah, here comes the cardinal. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Robbie, what are you doing? Okay, no, leave it right there. Leave it right there. That doesn't do it much. It just tries to focus on that area, which changes the focus to other places. That's not nice. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.